Hi everyone. Hope everyone is doing well by God grace. Take care of your health. Yeah. Last week, around the middle of the last week, one of the candidate was attended interview with one of the pharma-based company. So it is belongs to I think Australian-based company. In that company, what are the interview questions they asked? I'll explain now. So they provided job description that is belongs to the. It is complicated job description. It is there is no straightforward job description basically. It is in confusing way, but title of the JD they mentioned as senior cybersecurity engineer. So for this vacancy, so in that interview, what are the questions they asked? Let's go and discuss now. So explain about your roles and responsibilities. That is the first question. So second one is which SIEM tools you worked on. So whatever in the resume you have to keep about your tool's name and which EDR tools you worked on. So once again, whatever in the resume you are keeping, the tool's name you have to give. Do you know Python scripting language? So they are expecting Python automation as well. So they need in their project. Can you write a Python script for automatic log analysis of 100 files starting from log 1.1, log 1.2, log 1.3, log 1.4, and so on up to log 1.100? So there are basically what is meant by this one. There are 100 log files. So in that 100 log files, manual analysis, it will take longer time. So can we use using the Python automation? Can we analyze the logs? Can we give the printing of the output and what exactly we will analyze the log using these Python scripting language automation part? So that's what they are expecting basically, because analyzing of the log 1 to log 100 files, it will take minimum maybe half day or maybe 1 day or maybe 2 days. It depends. So that is the reason these scenarios we can go and we can use any scripting language, not just Python. So then we can go and we can print it and finally we can get the output. So that's what they need. Next question is, do you know what is the importance of the ERA for rules? So ERA rules basically we can use for suspecting of any malware. So we can use these ERA rules or ERA files scanning basically. For this one also we have to use the scripting language using ERA rules. So next question is, can you write a ERA files using the. So we have to write a ERA files for string name is called hello world. So interview panel they given one of the string, not a numeric, not array, not a function. So but they given one of the string. That string name is called hello world. For that hello world, we have to write ERA rules so that we can. It will scan all those ERA related hello world string and finally it will throw the whether that file has any malware infection or not. Do you know how to write correlation rules? So it is in SIEM tool basically. So in this correlation rule, whatever in the SIEM tool you are mentioning in your resume, you have to go and you have to explain about any one of the SIEM tool. I think let's go and discuss. Can you write a correlation rule for brute force attack in IBM QRadar? So already I think interview panel they mentioned. Next question is, in the resume, I think maybe he or she mentioned IBM QRadar as a SIEM tool. That is the reason they're expecting correlation rule or use case using IBM QRadar, how we can write it. Okay. Do you have any questions? So these are all the interview questions they expected. Interview, they scheduled only for 30 minutes, but interview went almost more than 50 minutes. Why? Because we have to write the scripting to 3 scripting languages. One is belongs to automation Python scripting languages. Second one is ERA scripting languages or ERA rules configuration. Third one is correlation rule creation. So total, we have to write 3 scripting languages by sharing the screen. So that is the reason this particular interview went almost 45 minutes. So my suggestion to you guys, whenever you are attending interview, please try to clarify with the interview panel what is the exact position is for. So otherwise you will end up with their expectations are different and whatever you are explaining about roles and responsibilities are different. Maybe here itself you can see senior cyber security engineer. When you say engineer, first of all, what is the difference between engineer, analyst, and also architect and consultant? You should be aware of these one: engineer, analyst, consultant, and architect. Otherwise, you will end up with the wrong roles and responsibilities. Analyst is a basically will do the level 1 or tier 1 or level 2 or tier 2 or level 3 or tier 3 related investigations. So those things will fall under engineer. It is on the other hand, you'll do the configurations, implementation, fine tuning. So automation part, process improvements, those things can be done by engineer. So this one basically they are expecting about subject matter expert for entire project. So it's like a high level role. It's like a lead. This one we can call a team lead or tech lead or subject matter expert or engineer. Okay. But whatever inter candidate is attended, she is working as L1. So finally, what is the feedback they provided? So that is the reason every time whenever I used to take the classes for cybersecurity side. So whenever you are attending the interview, please try to ask at the time of the interview in case job description is a mismatch, what exactly they are looking for. So in the couple of interviews panel itself, in the starting of the interview itself, they will say about these are the roles and responsibilities we are looking for. According to the roles and responsibilities, whatever interview panel is looking for, you can go and you can change like a chameleon and you can explain about the roles and responsibilities. Okay, otherwise a lot of mismatch will happen. So finally, what is the feedback they given for these questions? So this is a little bit complicated interview only because they expect a total overall three different types of the logics or scripting languages and automation part and malware scanning rules as well. So one is belong to Python automation, second one is belongs to error rules implementation part, third one is correlation rules or use case implementation part. Finally, feedback from the interview panel to that candidate. We are looking for security engineer or subject matter expert who is strong in Python and also offensive detection rules based on the threat intelligence feeds. So mainly they are looking for detection rule engine guy. He can go and he can create customized correlation rule based on the what the new attacks are happening all over the worldwide. And also that person should know about the fine tuning, troubleshooting, and also that person should be aware of the even Python automation wherever process is need. Okay. So that is the main role they are looking for. And second feedback also they given. You have basic Python and basic correlation rule skill set and error rule skill set as well. So finally, we can give an opportunity to work as L1 or L2 in future, but not right now. I can go and I can speak with the HR. Is there any vacancies are there for L1 or L2 level role? In case any L1 or L2 level role, if you do have, so then we can hire as L1 or L2, but not for subject matter expert or security engineer. They give you positive feedback only. So, but they need only subject matter expert for this vacancy. But they are giving one more convincing answer stating that. So in future, if we have any L1 or L2 roles, we'll speak with our hiring manager and finally we'll come back. So that is the overall feedback. Okay. So hope you understood. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.